everybody. Today's review, PX-978 soldering iron from Banggood.com. You notice I got the 110 volt version, not the 220 volt version, 60 watt. Package was a little crushed in the shipping because they send it out from Banggood in basically a plastic bag, but seems to have come through pretty good. 5 grades preset, 480, 430, put that in frame, 480, 430, 380, 330, and 280 on and off. 60 watts, 110 volt input. So we should be able to solder this. Let's see if it heats up or not. So we have a Canadian plug, a grounded one. Sit that there, and we'll plug it in right there. Alright, so I can't see anything lit up on it yet, so let's press the power button. There we go. Can see that pretty good. Can't read what it says though. Looks like that's the middle of it. Oh, it's because it's upside down. That's why I can't read it. So that's the 400, I believe. Let's sit down here. I have to get used to where those buttons are on it, I guess. This, yeah, from the on off. So we're at 380 in the middle. So 380. Hopefully that will. It seems like it got hot already. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that heated up quick. Very well. All right, so let's try a little soldering. I have this is my Proto Lab that you may recognize from my desoldering video, because in my excitement over getting this, I soldered the headers on upside down, so I had to desolder them, and link that video for you. So let's try resoldering this pin on. This doesn't seem like it's flowing that good. It won't quite be hot enough. Let's see if we increase the temperature a little bit. That doesn't seem like it's flowing good. Let's put the temperature all the way up to the top. It is really hard to read, but by the box, that's the lowest temperature. So I'm going to go that way. That should be the highest. No? Right? Yeah. Go this way. Now we're at the highest temperature. Don't open that. Okay. Alright, so there we go. That seems to work great. Temperature control definitely works because as you saw, I had to change the temperature setting in order to get it warm enough to melt that solder. It is very difficult to read, so I'm definitely going to have to keep this on hand to refer to it. I kind of think the labels might be on upside down because normally you'd be reading it from this side because that's the way you hold it. And this way you got to kind of point the hot end at your body, which is I don't think is a good design. But if the label was on the other way, that would make more sense. Instead it's on this way. So I just have to remember that towards me is hotter and keep the box around. Other than that, soldering iron works great. It's 110 volts, so it works without any modifications. Here are my Canadian plugs. Heats up quickly, and that seems to be pretty good strain relief there. Good thick cable on it. I like that it's a grounded plug. 3 wires instead of a 2. Hopefully that means it's grounded. When it cools off, I'll do a continuity test on it. And I'll just make sure. Get my little meter out here. So that will be continuity. So let's see if this is grounded. Yep, so it's grounded too, which is a good thing. Alright, so there you go. Great little soldering iron from Banggood.com. Highly recommended.